Good day mga kaubanan ko diya sa social media. Magandang umaga sa mga Tagalog. Good morning overseas and foreign. Good morning whole world. Good day whole world. So, si Inday sa ngayon still dizzy pa kasi I am sick for I think since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days already. So I have fever and cold runny nose. So my voice is like this, like a teenager voice. So how are you all there? Mm, please keep on praying because this year was a bloody year and we don't know the people surround us are traitor or they have a bad plan for you and for us. So we must be smart, intelligent, and most of all, keep on praying. That's it. So for being a Catholic, I do devotion, I do healing ministry, and I do exercise, especially during possession. So, ingat-ingat tayo lagi. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa because God is always there. We just call by Him, by Holy Name, and His words. His words is so much powerful. I tried it already. I don't have any magic. I don't have any power. But my power is my unlimited faithful and believe in Him. So, yun lang. Wala akong binitbit na kahit ano pa man. Except this one. This is a relics. Saint Benedict in Mama Mary and exercise crucifix. Yan. Kasi dalawang beses na ang encounter ko kasi marami na akong na-exercise yung mga na-possess. 3 beses na rin na may na-possess during sa healing and during kahit sa sumasakay ako 1 time and sa accommodation 2 times. Kaya lagi kong bitbit ang relics ni Papa Jesus and Mama Mary because Mama Mary's prayer is so much powerful. Dahil na-experience ko na talaga before. Last 2023, may tumawag sa akin nung nasa Port of Spain pa ako na may na-possess dito banda sa Madaom. And we are just calling by messenger and I use the rosary of Mama Mary. 33 beads pa lang of rosary. I do exercise position. But before that, pinaalis ko pa, using lang namin yung messenger. Sa awa ng Diyos, hindi pa umabot ng 33 beads, ay umalis na yung demonyo na pumapasok. Tatlong klase ng boses ang pumapasok sa kanya. Isa siyang babae, 15 years old. Ipang tapon na niya yung mga imahe ni Mama Mary. Tapos ako, ayaw niya na ako. Pero kung nung normal pa siya, walang problema. Pero nung na-possess na siya, kasi may mga elemento na sa kanya. And the first na nangyari yun dahil nagka-anxiety siya. Remember, anxiety and depression is demonic attack, oppressive attack. Nasa kailaliman ng ating material na pangangatawan ang atake ng demonyo na yan. Kaya, prayer lang. Yung prayer na walang no doubt. Ganun lang. So, thank you for watching. Abangan nyo pa yung mga iba pang mga isi-share ko na dapat din nating mapagtunan at makunan ng lesson ba? Para hindi lang ako ang nakakaalam. So maraming salamat po and please follow and subscribe.